The Department of International Relations is based in the main educational and administrative building. The Department of International Relations has 9 computers, 2 multifunctional photocopiers, 2 scanners. There are 3 lecture halls with 100 seats at the disposal of the chair. Also, classes are held in 308 Master and Doctoral Students' Room, often used by advisors and students. 316 Diplomatic Protocol and Etiquette. 319 Jean Monnet Center of Excellence. 339 Diplomat Nazir Tyuryakulov's Lecture Hall. 340 European Diplomacy Jean Monnet Chair and others. In the specialized classrooms, the teachers of the Department of Oriental Studies and the Department of Foreign Languages conduct lessons to the bachelors of the Department of International Relations of the second foreign language. These are 227 Classroom of the Arabic Languages, 231 Linguaphone Room, 232 Classroom of Romano-Germanic Languages, 236 Classroom of Spanish Language, 237 Classroom of Chinese Language, 238 Classroom of Sinology and others. On the first floor, there are a co-working zone and an open space zone, which allows students to study individually, take part in events, work together with teachers and fellow students, and engage in self-education.